Hello students. So this is the last problem from the topic scales, sheet number 6. So in this the question is like this: a room of 1728 cubic meter volume is shown by a cube of 4 centimeter side. Find the representative fraction, that is nothing but RF, and construct a scale to measure up to 50 meters. Indicate a distance of 37.6 meters on the scale. So in this, which type of scale is not given, and RF is not given directly. So we have to find out the RF also. So here we have to represent 3 units, 37.6 meters. So by seeing this value, we will come to know that this is a diagonal scale. So we have to draw a diagonal scale and we have to mark a distance of 37.6. But in this question, RF is not given directly. So we have to calculate the RF, that is nothing but representative fraction. So how we are going to calculate that? We will see what the answer is there for that one. So first here RF is equal to, it is representing 1728 cubic meters to 4 centimeters size, cube of 4 centimeters, that is nothing but 4 centimeter is to 1728 cubic meters, that is nothing but meter cube. So we are to solve this: 4 centimeter divided by 1728 cubic meter, that is nothing but 4 centimeter divided by cube root of 1728. So we have to use the calculator here, that is nothing but calc. We have to find out the cube root of 1728, that is nothing but 12. So if we take the cube root of 1728, we will get the value as 12 meters. So here this is in meters. So because of that we will get 12 meters. So now we have to change the value because RF has no units. RF has no units. This is in centimeter and this is in meters. So if we divide that, here 1, here 3 will become. So 1 divided by 3 meters, that is nothing but, that is equal to 1 divided by 3 into 100, that is equal to 1 divided by 300. Centimeter will get cancelled. So this is the RF. Now we know the RF. Now what is the maximum length is given here? This is the maximum length, that is the 50 meters. So L max also we know that. L max is equal to 50 meters. Now we have to find out the length of the scale, that is nothing but LS is nothing but, it is the product of RF into L max, that is nothing but representative fraction into maximum length, that is equal to 1 by 300 into 50 into 100, then 5000 centimeters. So if we calculate this, we will get approximately the value 16.67. So we can do roughly here also. You can use the calc also. 50 divided by 3, that is nothing but 5 1s are 5, that 3 1s are 3, there is no 2 remainder, 8s are 16, sorry, 3 6s are 18. Now the remainder is again 2. Here we will take point 0, 6, 20, that is 18, 2. So 16.66, so it's a bar, so we will get 16.6 centimeter. The length of the scale is 16.6 centimeters. Now we have to draw the diagram for this. So I will write this value here. What is the, I will write all these things here. Now I will write simply. No. RF, how much we got it? RF is nothing but we got it 1 by 300. Length of this scale is nothing but we got maximum length L max is equal to 50 meters. There is nothing but 50, there is no 5000 centimeter. Length of this scale is 16.6 centimeters. So this value we have to remember. Now we will draw the diagram now. Now to draw the diagram of scale, length of the scale is nothing but 16.6. So we will take AB is equal to CD is equal to 16.6 centimeters. We have to draw a rectangle. For that, the very first thing, this is nothing but our A, this is the B, length of the scale LS is equal to 16.6 centimeters. Now to get the rectangle width should be equal to 5 centimeter. C and this is the D. Now AD is equal to BC is equal to 5 centimeters. Now theta 1 is equal to 30 degree. We have to represent 37.6. We have to represent 37.6 and the maximum length is 50. So we will divide this into 5 equal halves. So each division is equal to 10 meters. So I will take AF is equal to 5 centimeters, that inclined line. So from AE is equal to 5 centimeter line. I will draw from here to here. Suppose this is my AE, that is equal to 5 centimeter line. So I will divide the line into 5 equal halves. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. I will join same B2 5 and I will draw a parallel line from 4 to 5, a parallel line 4 to 4 complement, and this two lines should be parallel, that 5 to B it should be parallel to 4 complement. Now again a parallel line from 3 to 3 complement, again a parallel line 2 to 2 complement, and again one more parallel line that is equal to 1 to 1 complement. So here I have to give the text like 0, 1, 2, 3 and this is my 4. So after that I have to mark the points. After that I have to draw the perpendicular line to this base. This is the perpendicular line to the base which is representing the each unit. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units are there and each unit is representing 10 meters. So up to here I will mark the main unit and subunit. So this is your main unit, this is your subunit. Now we got it, we have done the division for main unit. In the same way we have to divide the subunit. So each unit is representing 10 meters, means here I have to divide another line by making an angle theta 2. So this is my theta 1 and this is my theta 2. Now theta 2 is equal to 60 degree and AF is equal to 5 centimeters. So each division I can get as a 5 mm. So here I will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That's 0 to 10. So now after that I have to draw a line 0 to 0. I have to join 0 to 0. So whatever this line is there which I am joining from 0 to 0, I have to draw another line from 1 to this base line, and this line should be parallel to 0 like this. So like this, if I draw all the parallel lines, each line is parallel to each other. Because of that I am saying all the parallel lines. All these lines are parallel to each other. So here I got it 10 divisions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Here I will write 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now with the help of this scale, I will mark straight lines here. 1, or if I am using the graph, that is very easy for, that is better for me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So here from the point this 10, I have to draw a diagonal line, that is nothing but inclined line to 9. 10 to 9, 9 to 8, 8 to 7, 7 to 6, like this I have to mark like this all the lines. Finally 0 to 1. So like this all the lines I have to mark. Now this is a subunit. Now finally I have to represent the further unit. To draw the further unit, I have to draw one more inclined line here by making an angle theta T3, theta 3. Theta 3 is nothing but it is equal to 120 degree to the base, that is angle BAG. Angle BAG is equal to 120 degree. And the length of AG is equal to, how many we required? Already 5 is there. So we can divide the line by taking a 5 centimeter line, or else because it is in a metric unit, no need to go for this AG or theta 3. Already I have shown in the problem number 2. In this simply you mark, because AD is 5 centimeter. AD is 5 centimeter. If you divide by 5, that is 5 centimeter, you will get 10 divisions. So here simply you mark like this. 5 centimeters is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. D is nothing but 10. So draw the parallel line to the base. So now 37.6. So here this is nothing but our 10, 20, 30 and 40 is there. So I am marking 30 here. This is my 3, that is nothing but 30. In this 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. On this 7th line, wherever the 6th parallel line has to coincide with this one, 6, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my point. So this is the value which I have to mark in this one, and this is my final answer, that is 37.6 meters. 37.6 meters honest. So this is my further units, which is in meters, decimeter and centimeters. This is in centimeters. This is my subunit, which is in decimeters. This is my main unit, which is in meters. Finish. Here we have solved the problem. We have taken the values. One more time, I will just give the dimensions here. I will mark here. This is equal to 5 centimeter. The width is equal to 5 centimeter and length of the scale, that is equal to 16.6 centimeter. So, here we have to give the RF. RF is equal to 1 by 300. Finish. By this we have completed our sheet number 6 by solving all the 4 problems. You have to remember the units which are very important to solve the scale problem. Okay? Thank you.